Okay, so let's try this again. For some reason my webcam got disabled. So this is day 12, I think. Um, and so far today I've taken 6 trades. I haven't uploaded the Friday video yet. I just noticed that it's so. On Friday I took a $100 loss. I took one trade on Friday and it was a loser. So today I've taken 6 trades. I have won 3 of them and I lost 2 of them, and one is still open. And it's a GJ trade, which is probably gonna hit stop loss during the midnight during the session interchange when the spreads go all crazy. Uh, but let's dive in. Let's go over. Let's see what I did today. My first trade I took was a Euro GBP trade. I actually just marked them up because I took them and I didn't have time to mark them up. So actually I have them here. Euro GBP. So this was a pretty cut and dry trade. I would take this again. That's completely my setup. Just didn't work this time. So resistance, 2 weeks, now a third week, and a divergence here. Very cut and dry trade. This was a stop hunt, looks like, because looks like price is gonna drop. Or if it's not gonna drop, then it's a break and retest to the upside, right? It can be. I'm kind of hoping it's not gonna drop because as soon as I took the Euro GBP trade, I took a GJ trade, and after I placed the trades, I realized that they contradict each other, so they can't both fall, right? Uh, and when Euro GBP falls, GJ rises, right? So, but this is also very simple trade: resistance, multiple rejections, H1 divergence, and kind of a deviated M on a higher time frame, right? And so I'm hoping this is gonna fall because this would make me money in the end. Uh, but yeah, after the GJ trade, I took a EuroCAD trade. EuroCAD was a continuation trade, basically. Here you can see the beauty of one-to-one trades because I took this trade here on Friday. I took a trade from here and I closed here somewhere. Right, so I took a trade here, closed here, and if I had left the trade open, it wouldn't be much more in deeper profits right now. It would still be hovering around that area where I closed on Friday. So and now I was able to take the setup again, and now I'm already. Oh, okay, I didn't close there. I took the trade here, something like this. Well, okay, pretty much. Yeah. So it's not like it like fell off a cliff or something like that. It's still hovering around here. I'm still bearish on this pair because I think it's gonna drop. But look how long it takes, right? And to be frustrated for 2 days watching the trade not move, I know it's pain. So and shortly after I took the Euro CAD trade, Well, okay, this is the explanation for this is that trade price is in a daily high, and there's an H1 divergence plus 3 wicks plus a channel down plus prices at the top of the channel plus there's a huge engulfing bearish engulfing candle. So after the engulfing candle, I didn't enter right away. I waited, and price went back to the center of the engulfing candle, and then I entered. So I was very patient with this trade. I'm very proud of myself. um, mm, and then shortly after I took a Euro CAD trade, I was keeping my eye on Euro USD because Euro USD is still at a weekly resistance, kind of a weekly. If this drops, this is gonna be a weekly break and retest, and price was in a range like a long time here, right? So it broke resistance. Now made it it hadn't this divergent hadn't formed yet when I entered the trade, but price is going up on H4 and price is going down on the OBV on H4, and 2 wicks here. So I took a chance on this one because the divergence hadn't formed yet. So I actually now explaining you guys, I understand that I actually took a chance on this one. So this would not have been my normal trade, but this time it worked out. And then I took a when this started to fall, I actually was looking at USD CHF because we are in a downtrend, right? This is a downtrend, but there's also a channel here. So price bounced from the bottom of this channel, and now it made a small H1 uptrend, and now price is at this bottom channel here plus a support zone, and there's also divergence here. See this yellow line here, from here to here and from here to here. So this is a trend continuation, hidden divergence. And also, I didn't enter straight away when I saw it. I entered. One confirmation was that Euro USD started to fall, so USD CHF usually starts to go up, and price made a wick on both sides, then started to go down, then started to go up, then made a wick here, and then I entered because I saw the price had been screwing around quite some time here, a few hours, and then I decided to enter. So again, not my usual trade, but it was still like a calculated decision because I was keeping my eye on it. I didn't enter based on fear, and this time it worked out. Then I took a trade on NZD-CHF after all these trades had closed except GJ. Then I took a trade on NZD-CHF. Now this is very much my trade. If you look at this price action here, big movements, and I actually, if you follow me on Telegram, I actually wrote and I actually shared a analysis this morning where I said that waiting on a better entry, want to get a better entry on NZDCHF, but my bias is bearish. So I didn't enter straight away. Price was over here when I saw this trade. And then I was anticipating a bounce from this support because I saw a small head and shoulders forming on H1, right? So this is more like a minute 30 or minute 15 head and shoulders. But there's a wick here and kind of a head and shoulders pattern. I wanted to get an entry here and I did, but unfortunately this setup didn't work out. But again, I was being patient. I was waiting for my setup to occur. I didn't enter based on fear. Well, my heart was racing, but yeah. Anyway, and I even wanted to take this trade uh, like an hour ago. Like I was watching. Oh man, this is gonna go down. This is gonna go down. But then I calmed myself down and I said to myself, think about what you have to lose right now. So far, if this GJ trade hits stop loss, I'm gonna be break even for the day. Break even day is a lot better than a losing day. So after I came home from work, I could have closed the NZD, and GJ trade in small profit or break even basically, and I would have been left with like $200. But now NZD hit stop loss. Now I'm in profit for the day, $100, $100 in profit for the day. If this hits stop loss, then I'm gonna be break even. If this hits, take profit, then I'm gonna be in profit like $200. But I wouldn't get my hopes up on this one. And that is it for today. Short and sweet. 6 trades, 3 winners, 2 losers, 1 open trade. A little more trades than usual, but yeah. Let's see if I can see anything good happening. Let's watch this real quick. Okay, watching this one, I'm pretty sure NZD-CHF is gonna drop because right now it's in a top of channel, so maybe I can take this trade on tomorrow morning. Because looking at AUD-CHF is at a recent high, big old M. And what do you know? What do you know? Looky here. Divergence. So this is gonna be a good trade tomorrow. So let's mark this up. Let's delete these ones. These are old ones. GGM Stallion. So this I'm anticipating probably gonna make something like this. So this is gonna go down probably. Very nice trade for tomorrow. Cat CHF, don't see nothing right now. So if CHF JPY, okay, so this trade is invalid already. Not seeing anything good. There's a resistance here. See what price does when it gets there. So this might bounce. This could go up, break retests. the level yet. Not at the level yet. EuroCAD is ranging now. Unless price comes back up here, won't be taking a trade probably until price gets somewhere here. Nothing here. This could be a break and retest, or this could continue down. Don't know. Okay, now there's a small H1 resistance here. And there is an H1 divergence here, hidden divergence. And there's a big old H4 resistance here as well. If you guys see it. It's not as, clear, but it's pretty clear price has bounced around in this area, right? So, and we are currently in a downtrend from here to here. So I'm pretty sure that this is gonna go down. This is my humble opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't quote me on anything. I'm just a retail trader, trading demo money at the moment. So, but my bias is short. So bearish on CHF pairs. And that is it right now. See you next one. Trade safe. And peace always, as Dre likes to say. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye, guys.